Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to perform basic maintenance and service on your lawn mower. Let's get started. First thing, let's talk about fuel or petrol. Always use the recommended by a manufacturer. As you can see, is a E85. You have to use 85. And please try not to leave fuel for more than 5 weeks. You will have a problem with the starting and it doesn't run properly. And other thing, please do not use ethanol. It is bad for the engine and the parts as well, as they get corroded over time. Just to let you know, on 4-stroke engine, you do not need to mix it up oil in the petrol. So please put straight petrol in so you don't have a smoky or other problems. Now let's talk about air filter. Different lawn mowers use different air filters. Air filters is very important. They help to keep the engine clean and run properly. So I will show you how to clean off. Just take it up after you use and just tap it. It's okay. This one's alright, but it's okay. If it's too dirty, you have to change it and put it back on. And when you make it tight, please do not tie it up too hard. And that's all done. Next one, let's go and check the oil and the condition. This one looks clean. Oil, you have a level here, please check. If it's too low, you have to fill it up. If it's too bad, you have to drain that out and get the recommended one. I have one here. Always use the recommended one. I will show you the easier way so you can do as well. Get the container like this. Leave the machine on flat surface, so while checking as well. And let's get a container, clear container like that, so you can see the label. And we'll take it off. Just incline it and drain it. Leave it for some times. Let's jump onto the spark plug now. Spark plug is very important, and different machine use different spark plugs. I got few of them here. Okay, now let's check the condition of the spark plug here. If it's dirty, you can just brush off. It's not good, it's not bad, but try not to use when it's hot. Cold, it's okay. If not, you have to use better use a new one. I don't have a new one, but I'll just put it in now. That's all done. Always check and sharp the blades, as they are very important for achieving a clean and even cut your lawn. You have to always turn the blade as they turn. I think these blades are turning anti-clockwise. You can do that trying pulling the pull cord, but if you want to pull the pull cord to try to see which way the blade goes, you have to take the spark plug out just in case it doesn't start. So other thing is, if you turn the other way, what happens is the oil goes to the filter. So if it goes to the filter gets clogged and it pulls the oil as well, and so you have a smoky. So please do not turn the blades as you want. So for this blade, definitely you have to change the blade. Okay, last one, let's check the wheel now. If you want to take it off, get anti-clockwise. That looks alright, but if you want to put the grease on, it will be good. And put it back on. This is clockwise. And tight that off. And that's all done.